I'm going to be showing you how to fix Tinder's stuck unloading screen after login. So there are multiple ways you can fix this issue. So the first is to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the connection is the issue. So the second thing to do is to restart your device. A simple restart of your phone can often resolve temporary glitches that are causing the app to freeze. You can also try opening your Tinder and logging out. After you logged out, just log back in again. Just tap on log out and log back in. If this is an app-specific issue, then you need app-specific solutions. So just open your App Store or your Play Store if you have one, and make sure that there are no updates. Make sure you're up to date. If you have an Android, you can try clearing cache and data, and as a last resort, you can try reinstalling the app. Just delete the current Tinder app from your device and then reinstall it again from your App Store. This will refresh your experience and update the app. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.